Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, we are talking all about Stan Store. And what I love about Stan Store is that it's literally your all-in-one creator store, like literally a one-stop shop. So Stan Store is literally the easiest way to make money online. So you get all of your courses, you get all of your digital products, you get all of your bookings, you get your link in bio all in one place, and that is game changing. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link below for you to get 2 weeks free on me, and let's dive into all of the goodies that are inside of Stan. So if you don't have a login already, that link that I'm going to put down below is going to help you get in. But once you're signed in, this is what you're going to see within the platform. So there's something called on the left side called My Store, and you're going to see all of these different product types, right? So you can collect emails, you can do coaching calls, you can create your own e-course in here, you can host webinars, right? And then if you have any type of external links that may not fit this criteria, you can actually add those in separately in this section here. Then you have your digital products, right? So that's PDFs, guides, templates, content, um, ebooks, anything you name it, you can add that in here as a digital product. So then you can also have recurring memberships. And most of all, like you can create your own custom product. So let's say the product that you're creating is not within these tabs here. You can create your own custom product, right? And that's video reviews, that's audits, that's any type of ask me anything type of product that you want to host. And that allows you to do it there. Then for community, right? So you can build your own community within this platform and everything is all in one. So imagine hosting a free community or even a paid community where you can get like you can price it for one time, or you can have a subscription, right? Depending on what your community is all about and what you actually want to build out, that would determine how you actually want to host that community, right? And mine is pretty much grayed out here because I already have my community created, which is increasing her wealth. But um, those are all of the different things or product types that you can actually create in here, right? And on the left side, you can also do funnels, you can set your appointments, you can have email flows within this platform, and they have another secret tool here, which is literally your own personal chat GBT, right? So you can ask Stanley anything, right? Like you can ask Stanley what to do for your next digital product, or you can ask it how you can earn money, or you can even ask Stanley to create a detailed 10-step guide for you to get started as a content creator on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, any platform, right? Even YouTube, right? And Stanley will spit that out for you, and you would literally have all of the examples and the answers to your questions. So there is so much that you can do in Stan and have it as your all-in-one platform instead of logging into 10 different apps, right? You can have all of this in one place. So if you want to learn more about Stan and you want to see the details of how we can create these products and how we can host these products in Stan, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely create another video to show you that. But in the meantime, ask me your questions all about Stan, and I will have that link in below for you to click and get your 2 weeks free if you actually are interested and want to take a look on your own, right? So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm going to see you on the next one.